elections in Bihar just weeks away, political parties are busy finalizing seat-sharing pacts. The BJP has intensified its preparations for the poll. The party met in Patna on Wednesday to discuss potential candidate names. A joint meeting of the NDA was also held to discuss seat-sharing and election strategy with its allies. According to sources, as per preliminary agreements, the JDU may get 101 to 102 seats, while BJP may receive 100 to 101 seats. Discussions are underway to allocate 24 to 25 seats to Chirag Paswan's party, 8 to 10 seats to Jitin Ram Manjhi's HAM party, and approximately 7 seats to Upendra Kushwaha's RLSP. But all is not well within the NDA. HAM's Jitin Ram Manjhi is not happy with the 7 to 8 seats on offer.
हमको इतना सीट दीजिए कि 60% स्कोरिंग सीट लावें तो 8 सीट जीत के आवें। इसका मतलब कि 8 दूनी 16 नहीं तो 15 सीट अगर हमको मिलती है तो हम 8 और 9 सीट जीत लेंगे। हम हो सकता है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के रूप में इमर्ज कर जाएंगे। यही तो मांग मेरी है।
Manjhi also took a veiled dig at LJP's Chirag Paswan, claiming parties with 1 to 2 MLAs are demanding more seats than they deserve.
जिसका एक विधायक नहीं है वो अपने को बड़ा समझता है, जिसको 1-2 विधायक है जो अपने को बड़ा समझ रहा है और क्या क्या मांगता है वो मैंने नहीं करना चाहता।
Meanwhile, Chirag Paswan made it clear he will not agree to 25
सीट को लेकर क्या कहेंगे, कितनी सीटें मिलेंगी आपको? चिराग जी, बहुत सा बड़ा सवाल।
बहुत जल्द ये जानकारी साझा कर दी जाएगी।
The Congress too held its Central Election Committee meeting to strategize for the upcoming polls. The party is aggressively pushing for 70 seats as part of the India Bloc Alliance. Sources say the Congress may contest on 70 tickets. The Vikashsheel Insan Party and left parties are likely to get 40 seats each. The RJD, meanwhile, is planning to contest in more than 130 seats.
बिहार की जनता इस मौजूदा सरकार से बेहद नाराज है, गुस्से में है और इस बार बिहार की जनता परिवर्तन चाहती है, बदलाव चाहती है, नया सरकार चाहती है और नया बिहार चाहती है।
All eyes are also on Prashant Kishore, whose Jan Swaraj has emerged as a credible third front in a state long defined by identity politics.